the budget smartphone that just changed everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a brand new budget smartphone that's turning the entire industry upside down. I'm talking about the Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G, a phone so affordable, yet so shockingly powerful, that it might just redefine what a budget smartphone can be. If you thought you needed to spend over $1,000 for a good phone in 2025, think again. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let's get into how this little beast, the Redmi 15 5G, changed everything. Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G, the budget smartphone that just changed everything. What if I told you that the most exciting smartphone of 2025 isn't the iPhone 17 or the Galaxy S25? It's a Redmi that costs less than $300, has a 144Hz display, a 7,000 mAh battery, and full 5G support. That's not hype, it's real. Let's dive into the Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G and see why it's changing everything. For years, budget phone meant compromise. Weak cameras, slow processors, small batteries, and short software lifespans. But in August 2025, Xiaomi launched the Redmi 15 5G across Poland and India, and this phone flips that old idea upside down. For a price that's barely a fraction of a flagship, you're getting features that would have been unthinkable in this category just a few years ago. The Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G, launched in August 2025 across Poland and India, is shaking up the budget smartphone scene, and here's why. It packs a stunning 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making everything from gaming to scrolling feel fluid and premium. Under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6's Gen 3 processor, a fast, efficient 5nm chip that's fully 5G ready, keeping your experience snappy whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking. You can choose between 4, 6, or 8 gigabytes of RAM, and either 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, giving you plenty of space for your photos, videos, and apps. The camera system includes a sharp 50-megapixel main sensor, paired with a depth lens for clean portrait shots, while the 8-megapixel selfie camera handles front-facing photos and video calls beautifully. But here's where it really shines: the battery. With a huge 7,000 mAh cell, you're getting incredible endurance, easily a day and a half of real-world use. And when it's time to charge, 33-watt fast charging gets you back to full in no time. It even supports reverse wired charging, so yes, your phone can charge another phone. The Redmi 15 5G runs Android 15 with Xiaomi's refined HyperOS, and Xiaomi promises up to 6 years of security updates, an impressive commitment for a budget device. The design keeps things practical with a durable plastic frame and IP64 splash resistance, and the price? It starts at just $250 around or $14,999 in India, or roughly $249 in Europe. For those specs, that battery, and that price, the Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G isn't just good value, it's redefining what a budget phone can be. That's an incredible list of specs for a so-called budget device. We're talking about a high refresh display, an enormous battery, and long-term Android support, all in one affordable package. So, how does it perform in the real world? Surprisingly well. Performance. The Snapdragon 6's Gen 3 keeps everyday tasks and moderate gaming smooth, without stutter or overheating. Display. That 144Hz panel makes scrolling and animations feel buttery. Battery life. The 7,000 mAh battery easily lasts a day and a half on a single charge. Charging. With 33-watt fast charging, it can go from empty to full in roughly 90 minutes, and the reverse wired charging lets you share power with another device. Camera quality. The 50-megapixel main camera captures bright, detailed shots in daylight, while the 8-megapixel front camera is solid for selfies and video calls. Software. Android 15 with HyperOS feels responsive, modern, and backed by up to 6 years of updates, something rare for this price range. This doesn't feel like a cheap phone. It feels like a smart, well-balanced phone that simply costs less. The Redmi 15 5G isn't just another affordable phone. It's a shift in the smartphone landscape. Flagship features trickle down. 144Hz display. Big battery, modern chipset, all in a budget tier. Longevity. 6 years of updates means this phone can easily outlast pricier competitors. Battery power. 7,000 mAh is practically tablet-sized capacity. Market disruption. Xiaomi is forcing other brands to raise their game. Consumer win. Great technology is no longer locked behind a 4-figure price tag. The trade-offs now. To keep that price down, there are a few compromises. The build uses plastic rather than glass. Wireless charging is missing and 33 watts is quick but not flagship level fast. There's no dedicated ultra-wide or telephoto lens, just the main in-depth cameras. The display is LCD, not OLED, though the refresh rate makes up for it. And yes, there may be some pre-installed apps to clear out when you first set it up. But at this price, those trade-offs feel completely reasonable. Who it's for? The Redmi 15 5G is perfect if you want strong performance and long battery life without overspending. Value a smooth, high refresh display. Need reliable 5G and years of software support. You might look elsewhere if you want flagship level photography or premium materials. Need wireless or ultra-fast charging. Do heavy gaming at the highest settings. The Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G isn't just a great phone for the money. It's redefining what an affordable smartphone can be. With a 7,000 mAh battery, a 144Hz display, and a reliable Snapdragon processor, it proves you don't have to break the bank to get premium performance. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let me know in the comments, what's the one feature you think every budget phone must have in 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.